I want to share with you the top three apps that are going to make money for you that actually work. Okay, I know when you click this video, you are expecting me to say, "Oh, maybe you're going to do crypto, or maybe there's this new app that you can put your money and get the results in 3 days, or maybe there's this forex app that you can trade your money and get the results." No, there are three apps. They've always existed and they are still existing. So let me tell you the first app that you need. The first app that can make money for you is your WhatsApp. I said it, it's your WhatsApp. I cannot imagine the number of clients, okay? I cannot count the number of people I've actually made money for using my WhatsApp. How did I do it? Remember, I'm telling you that the most important thing for anybody that wants to succeed is to develop their social skills. WhatsApp has helped me to position myself as someone that people can trust. And mind you, it's not about collecting numbers. A lot of young people make the mistake of thinking that when they have 1,000 contacts, 2,000 contacts, 3,000 contacts on their WhatsApp, that makes them big. Okay, it's not about having people seeing your status here and there, having people liking your status here. And it's about the intentionality of the people that you select. I try to make sure that if I cannot speaking to someone in 6 months, 8 months, I have every right to delete that number. That person is just taking up space. And if they should share their status, they are wasting my data because it's my money. Look, if someone is not interacting with you for 6 months, 8 months, you have every reason to delete their content. They are not adding value to you, okay? This is very important. I remember my last friend, okay? This guy, we stuck very close. I've done a lot of business with him, ordering materials from him, doing something, and he pays me, he trusts me with his money. That is why I'm telling you that you must use your WhatsApp to build trust with people, build connections, and nurture this relationship. Don't just wait until you want to do business. Send them good text, greet them, regard them for all that they do. This is very important. Use WhatsApp to nurture your connections with people. Don't just use it to share nonsense all over. A lot of people use their WhatsApp for very things that I don't even know. I just try to wrap my head around it, but I cannot because they use it for the wrong reason. They don't know how powerful their WhatsApp. Look, the second app that's going to make you a lot of money is the Instagram. Okay, find a way to be creative. Do not say I'm shy. Do not say I'm not confident. Look, your shyness, your lack of confidence, okay, your timidity is going to lead to poverty. If you want to escape poverty, look, I'm running away from poverty. Not because I'm poor. I'm running away from poverty because I know that if I slack right now, if I don't give it my best right now, poverty will become my surname. Poverty will become what they will know me for. That is why I'm running away from poverty. You must find a way to express yourself. If you can talk, talk. If you can speak, speak. If you can write, write. Money follows the attention that you can create for yourself. So find a way to express yourself on your Instagram. I mentioned Instagram because it's one of the easiest. But for other people, they can try YouTube like I'm doing right now. They can try YouTube. And then what is the third app that can actually make you money? The third app that can make you money is your phone. Your phone app. Everybody has a phone app. You were not expecting me to say that, right? You were not expecting me to mention the phone app that you used to call on your phone. That is the one app that can make you money. Remember the age when there was no social media? How do people carry out transactions using the telephone? And that is one app that a lot of people don't find the time. Everybody's scrolling on TikTok, thinking it's about watching reels and this and that. They forget the importance of making the phone. Let me tell you why the phone is the one most important app for you to use to make money that actually works. Because before you can call someone, you are trusting them because you're actually burning your own mobile airtime, okay, to call them. That shows that you have the intentionality to speak good things to them. And that's one way they can trust you. If you can sacrifice your own mobile airtime to call somebody, that means that you are very intentional about what you're doing and that they can trust you. It's one of the fastest way to build trust with anybody that you want to speak to. I'm telling you, these three apps that I mentioned, your WhatsApp, your Instagram, and your phone, are very, very important apps for you to make money and they actually work. Do not think that I'm going to share with you some forex app or some trading app or some this or that. I don't want to lie to you. I want to be completely honest. And mind you, I've not tried it, I've not gambled, okay? And I'm not even trying to because I know that this is not the end. Look, the house always wins. Do not gamble. Try to take responsibility for your life to change your life. And I'll see you in the next one.